So I just got to the second location. It's a beautiful house. I won't tell you where it is, but my goodness, the kitchen is incredibly beautiful. So let's start this conversation to find out why people need such beautiful kitchens. Let's do this. Well, hello, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Feeling good.
Amazing.
So tell us a bit about who you are and what you do.
Okay. My name is Tanay Patel. I'm a director at MGP Investments. So we're actually developers who are building houses here at Green City.
A Green City.
Yes.
So we are in this beautiful home and the kitchen is incredible. What inspired the style of this particular building and the kitchen? And actually not just the kitchen, the house entirely. Yeah.
Okay, so you see here at Green City, we're trying to incorporate as much lighting as possible. So we want to make the house as bright as possible, hence why we chose light colors for the kitchen. As you can see, the countertops and the floor tiling, everything complements each other, as well as the lighting that comes into the house.
Okay, and what inspired the kitchens? I mean, not the you spoke about the kitchens. What inspired the bedrooms as well? Is it the same concept or?
Well, the bedrooms, sort of was the client's choice, right? So we're building for the clients.
Okay.
So we let them choose like the type of colors they want in the houses. So especially the bedrooms and everything, I just leave it up to them.
Aha, okay. So you've worked with Florida Manufacturing Solutions. How was that experience?
No, the experience with them has been phenomenal, to be honest. You know, they've done everything that they've said they've done on time. Like actually before they do the fittings, they send us these renderings like on the computer.
Oh yes, okay.
So, you know, the kitchen came out exactly as the renderings and I'm happy. I think the client is even more happy than I am. So yeah.
So what keeps you inspired to do what you do?
Just the response, just the response, keeping clients happy, giving homes to families. I feel like that's what pushes us up to keep going.
And what does the future look like?
We're gonna grow, for sure.
Okay.
Hopefully
with Florida Manufacturing.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think for the next house, we're gonna continue working with them, for as long as we can.
Okay. And then just as a last question, from a client's perspective, what do clients look for? So imagine I'm a 25-year-old or 30-year-old young professional looking for a house.
Right.
What do they normally look out for?
Number one would be security. Alright, security, they want good workmanship. So I feel like security is already incorporated inside Green City. And the second one would be workmanship, right? So I think having quality people that you work with, like including Florida Art, I feel like that's the type of people you want to keep around to give, good product to your clients.
All right. Okay. Cool. You heard it first. The kitchen looks stunning. I will show you the bathrooms as well, the cupboards in the bathrooms as well, and the bedrooms. Guys, when they say lighting is everything, I am convinced. I'm now tempted to get another house. So he better hook me up with another house. So guys, today we've been chatting to the guys from Florida Manufacturing Solutions about the kind of work they do. And if you have not seen any of this, stay glued to the screens because the work is phenomenal. And if you need more information regarding Florida Manufacturing Solutions, you can visit their website, which I'll also link. It is www.floridamsolutions.co.za, which I will link below again. So let me show you just how beautiful this house is. Cheers.